Hello guys, so today we'll be downloading our IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is used to write code. We can write on Notepad as well and run the code, but that's not most developers do because that's not very efficient. So we'll be downloading Visual Studio Code, VS Code. For Windows, we have Windows. So if you have Linux or Mac, you can download from here. I'll be downloading it from here, Windows. The download has started, so it will finish in a while. I actually already have VS Code downloaded and installed, so I won't be installing it fully, but I'll just quickly show you how to do it. Alright, the internet is a bit slow, I guess. The file is not very big, 88 megabyte. Okay, so I've clicked it. It should open very soon. I accept the agreement. You should create add open with code and add open with code action to Windows Explorer because it is very helpful sometimes. Next, install. So clicking it will install it, but as I've mentioned, I already have it installed here, so I'm not installing it. You can just click install and it will be installed to your C drive, but if you want to do it elsewhere, you can select that as well. See you in the next video. Thank you.